If you're tired of juggling tools or carrying bulky boxes, this 18-inch heavy-duty tool backpack might be exactly what you need. Heavy-duty construction. Built with durable, tear-resistant materials, this backpack is designed to handle tough job site conditions. 17 storage pockets. With 17 organized pockets, you can easily store hand tools, power tools, and accessories without digging around. Waterproof design. The water-resistant exterior helps protect your tools from rain, spills, and harsh environments. Large 18-inch capacity. Its spacious 18-inch size fits larger tools while still keeping everything well organized. Comfortable backpack style. Padded shoulder straps and a breathable back panel make it comfortable to carry, even when fully loaded. Excellent organization with plenty of pockets for all types of tools. Strong, heavy-duty build suitable for daily professional use. Hands-free backpack design reduces strain compared to traditional tool bags. When fully loaded, it can feel a bit heavy. The large size may be more than needed for light DIY tasks. Overall, this 18-inch heavy-duty tool backpack is a solid choice for electricians, carpenters, mechanics, and serious DIYers who want durability, comfort, and organization. Check it out on Amazon today and upgrade how you carry your tools. Link is in the description below.